All right, it is always a pleasure to have Julianne Bitely here making almond horseshoe cookies. It's perfect for the Derby Day, and it's a traditional Passover treat too.
Yes, because it doesn't have meat or milk products in it, so it's kosher with kosher meals. So you start with almond flour, which is a naturally gluten-free flour, which is great, 2.5 cups.
Anything you make is going to be healthy.
Oh, well, I would hope so.
Yes.
I would hope so. Okay, have you seen this trick with how you get egg whites from?
Where you just...
Okay, so let's see if we can attempt to do this.
Yeah, I was going to say, I've never seen it done in person though. Very good.
Okay, so you start with 2.5 cups of almond flour, and we're going to take 1/2 cup of local honey because that's healthier. We're going to mix it with the egg whites, and we'll mix all three together. If you want to start mixing that, I'll show them.
Oh, you're going to actually make me work?
Absolutely. That's what you're here. That's what they pay you for, right?
Yeah. Partially, yes. So I just got to mix this up?
Yeah, just mix that bad boy up. And while you're doing that, I'm going to show the next step. So once that's mixed up, you'll take a handful of slivered almonds, and you'll just put it on a pastry sheet so that you don't stick to a million things. Instead of like flour when you roll out traditional cookies. And so this is the consistency you get. You can put it on these little almonds here. And I actually learned recently that almonds are a great fix for acid reflux.
Really?
Yeah, and I tried it and it so totally worked.
So how many did you have to eat though?
Just a handful. It wasn't bad.
And it helped with the acid reflux?
Yeah, it naturally is alkaline for the stomach. So it's pretty cool.
Learn something new every day. I just take a Zantac.
So, oh no, God provides everything in nature. You don't have to take those drugs. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You get these little horseshoes like this. You'll bake them at 350 for 15 minutes. And when they come out, they look just like this.
All right.
So how are you doing over there?
I think I'm doing all right. I got about, I think, pretty good consistency right there, don't you think?
That's great.
Look
Yeah.
at that.
You want to try the next part?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm going to let you do that next
Okay.
part.
Well, one of the great things you can do about this is if you want to make it even tastier, you can drizzle chocolate on top.
Oh, now you're talking my language.
Yeah. But, so it's naturally dairy, refined sugar, and gluten-free. So super healthy.
Do I get to try this out?
Yeah, please do. Go for it.
All right.
Does it pass your test?
Very smooth, sweet, delicious taste.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear it. It goes great with tea if you're having, I know you invite ladies over for tea all the time.
All the time.
But
Just this afternoon we're having a little tea party. Anyway.
and you have boys, so.
That's true. And they would love these, actually. These are really good. And healthy, too, at least to a degree.
Protein, protein, good fats, healthy sweetener. Helps with allergies if you use local honey.
Tell us about your Facebook page and your website.
Yes, you can go to my Facebook page, Julianne Bitely Holistic Health Nutrition, or my website, juliannebitely.com, and I post this recipe and recipes up every week. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are called almond horseshoe cookies.
Yes.
And this is on your website, this recipe.
It will be this afternoon.
It will be this afternoon. All right.
Give me a minute.
Sorry, so you're going to make one more here?
Going to make one more, and then I'm going to pop these bad boys in the oven.
Okay. And how long again do you bake them in the oven?
15 minutes at 350 degrees.
And that's it?
And that's it. It's super fast, easy, 3 ingredients.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I got to wrap up this segment, and I think it's rude if I talk with my mouth full.
Oh.
So let's just go to a commercial break, and I'll get the rest of this.
Sounds great.
Thank you so much, Julianne Bitely. All right, stay with us. We have the second hour of Saturday Daybreak on the other side of the break. Stay with us, everybody.